Yes, hi everyone. Welcome back, and always good to be back after a while. I thought that we could look a bit upon IT infrastructure or backbone equipment, and we can just start here with this presentation by our friends. Um, we are reading much about hybrid networks and as the wide area networks while cloud services are coming with 5G and almost 6G, but most of us are still in an inception now in 2021, and this presentation is typically about enterprise um, infrastructure, data equipment, network management solutions. Uh, they have mentioned a bit about the SONET, which is a layer 1 fiber backbone used today, and you have optical transfer network as fiber equipment and networks are being built and distributed. Um, Here they will explain that the architecture on SONET, where most equipment can be carried. Yeah, Synchronous optical networking, that is point-to-point connection or SONET. Synchronous means that the terminals or equipment in a network are normally timed from the same source of time, because everything here is based upon data structure, bandwidth, and link rate, which is the transfer time. What can we transport or not transport? Um, to be a bit practical, video streaming, medium, Ethernet, typical data, internet data, and there are also some other sources. Uh, yes, because fiber channel has been for a while, but the capacity is just boosting up to 10G. Yeah, SD used for standard, high definition, standard definition. Just some abbreviations I don't remember. OTN bit rates are now pushing to 200 and 400 gigabit per second. Yeah, that has been tested. how fast the coherent optics is. They have tested a record of 51 terabit per second using multiple wavelengths, each with a net inflow rate of 1.3 terabit per second over a 93 kilometer fiber route by Nokia. Hmm, that's good. 51 terabit. 93, so over 930 kilometers probably. Yeah, spread on speed of not 5 terabit but more than that. Over 9,300, probably half or 1 terabit per second. I'm just joking a bit. Network theory. I must just admit that although I studied network technologies uh, almost 15, 20 years ago now, we did not have any chance to learn about all backbone or server equipment. So there are things which I also need to learn, but I'm just so excited that I don't have that much to say. Yeah, it's like fiber switches. So if they are redesigned, etc., then the transfer rate in megabit per second can always be stretched. And although, or if we don't work with all this practical equipment, then it's not sure that we'll be able to see this again. I can see that must be something at least used in USA, but okay, I'm not a technical expert exactly. I've not spent that many years in building data centers or network halls, racks. These were also a bit special. but absolutely worthwhile for building a data center or for setting up servers. Very, very relevant. Yeah, they have always these big parallel ports, or you can see boot up or instantiate tests, see whether the equipment is working, data is sent, alarms. If there is anything critical, you'll see light bulbs. And you always see that if there is link, then there is light. If not, then the cable or line or port is not active. And same thing here with the ports in use in duty. The best part with today's IT equipment is that things can be automatically managed, um, while the software is administered by human system and network admins, IT managers. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, this presentation is just getting longer and longer. It was not my intention to take that much of your time, but if you are a learner, an IT professional, working an IT manager, or working with IT procurement, then you'll always be invited from IT providers, companies, bump into them with a lot of seminars, webinars, lots of information probably, and this is a typical OTN or backbone equipment, fiber equipment from Sienna or Sienna. That means smart. Some language. Yeah, I think we just have to stop there. Many thanks for watching, and I hope you'll be with me again quite soon. Thanks for